Hello everyone, welcome to this last part, the 14th part, in which we'll learn to place our work in one or several mockups. The first thing we'll see is many examples that I downloaded from the internet of mockups. This is absolutely free also, you can look for some mockups in Google. In our case, we can get mockups from websites like Freepik. I'll use this particular mockup for example. But we can search in other sites like Graphic Burger, which has very good mockups. We can go also to Mockup World, where we'll also find free mockups. And in Behance, we can also find free mockups by these artists I'm showing you. All of these are royalty-free mockups, so you won't have any problem. And both in Freepik and several pages I showed you, you can download these mockups. So the first thing we'll do is open the mockup, and here we have several layers. First, we have to identify the layer in which we have to place the map. Double-click it. We get inside of the smart object and take the whole map and place it in here, on top. I'm going to rotate it, click the X, click yes, we want to save the changes, and automatically we'll see how our mockup looks. Last, we have the option of visiting the website www.anthonyboyd.graphics, and there you can find lots of mockups, many of which are free, and you can download the models and work with them. In this case, this mockup is quite ideal to present the work. As you already know, we would search for the smart object, in this case this one here, and in this layer we would start placing the map. We can place it in several mockups and cut portions in order to see how it would look in a hanged frame in your room or anything like that. So here we have the other mockups we worked with, but applying the map. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the course. There were different steps we made, and patiently I'm sure you'll be able to get very good images. So, well, see you in the next course. Bye-bye.